Now we're going to add our first real comment to the code with the hash symbol or pound sign number symbol. I'll type hashtag real 4D geometric forms based on mathematical research. So that's the Python syntax for comments, the hash symbol. Python's interpreter completely ignores everything after the hash symbol on a line. When Python runs your program, it acts like comments don't even exist. They're invisible to the computer, but visible to humans reading your code. They explain the why behind your code while the code itself shows the what. In this case, our comment explains that the data we're about to create isn't just random information, it's based on real mathematical research into 4D geometry. Without this comment, someone reading the code might think we're just making up fictional shapes. So comments versus docstrings. Use comments for quick explanations, assumptions, or clarifications about specific lines of code. Use docstrings, the triple quotes we saw earlier, for formal documentation of what entire functions or classes do. Comments are perfect for things like, why did I choose this algorithm? Or this formula comes from Einstein's relativity theory. Or, warning, this function assumes positive numbers only. The best practice, write comments that explain complex logic, document your assumptions, and provide context that makes your code maintainable. Future you or other developers will thank you for these explanations. It can be really difficult for people when they come in and they can't quite tell what the code is doing. And there's a lot of different ways to manage that by proper naming conventions and things, but sometimes comments are still useful. So good code tells you what it's doing, but comments tell you why it's doing it.